Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. Today's video, I still have the COR First LEGO League Robot, and I'm going to be bumping it up the missions today. So before we did the elevator, we did the swing, we did the design and build, and now I'm going to be putting this really to the test. I'm going to be going over to the crane, and I'm also going to be trying the treehouse. So if you want to see that, stay with me. And after watching this video, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Come on, I know you can do it. Okay, I'm going to be brutally honest. You could probably do the elevator and the swing and design and build with any kind of robot. But to really test a first LEGO League robot to see if it really can handle the missions and just, whatever it's being asked to do, I thought, hey, let's bump it up and try the crane, the entire crane mission. And then I thought, hey, while we're over there, let's try to go to the treehouse too. So today it's about those two missions. Let's go to the board. Okay, first task is going to be to swing this crane over, like so. We're going to drop it on that blue unit. I did it twice just to be sure. Okay, so we have this top blue unit on the lower blue unit, and now we'll go back and push it into that blue circle. Okay, now that we have these two blue units stacked, we're now going to just go ahead and push them into this blue circle for the total of 50 points. So let's go. Okay, back to the home, and we have them stacked there in the blue circle. So there is the complete crane mission. Hey everybody, we're going to be taking this COR robot and using it to get the treehouse mission done here. So let me go ahead and take this off so I can show you what I did to this COR robot. That front end attachment's the same that I've been using before. I added these black curved beams to act as like a basket for this red unit. And we're going to send it over here and just toss it into the tree. It's pretty reliable because this unit basically hits this part of the tree and stays in there. And then we'll just head back to home. So let's go ahead and check this out. Yeah, beautiful job, COR robot. And it's in there for 10 points, 15 if you're counting the bonus small inspection area points. So this COR robot really is doing a really great job of all these first LEGO League missions. Okay, everybody, I have the COR robot here, and we're going to send it to do the safety factor mission. The safety factor mission is pretty tough just because it's so far and because those blue beams are not, super far apart. There's a lot of things that can go wrong. What I like about this COR robot, like a lot of good first LEGO League robots, it has the flat back to it. So what I'm going to do is use that to my advantage. I'm going to have the robot go forward. It's going to back up against this backboard just to straighten everything out, and then come over to the safety factor and knock out that blue bar. So let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, straightens out. It's going to crash into all these design and build buildings. Okay, you didn't see that. Okay, let's go over and yeah, that's knocked out way more than halfway. So this COR robot, what I really like Again, the flat back to it, it drives pretty straight. When I was building it, what you do to one side, you do to the other, so it's pretty balanced, stable. I'm starting to get really sold on this robot. Okay, for the traffic jam here, you can just see what I did to the front end attachment. This is going to basically push up the traffic jam, and I love that it's so close, and then just make it back to home. So check this out. COR Robot, looking really good. So the only drawback to this COR Robot is it is so low to the ground, and this color sensors here, that the elevated places is an issue. So there, my friends, is one of the biggest drawbacks here is we cannot go up this ramp. We can't even get the 20 points for just being here. I did think, well, if it can't go forward because of this color sensor, what about backwards? And same story. Whoa. Yeah, it's not even going backwards. I mean, I could probably hop on the computer and try to raise this motor speed, but it's just not going to happen. I mean, it's just not doing it. So after test driving this thing for about a week, I love the fact that it can do so many of the things that we want our FLL robots to do. It's just not going to make it up this ramp. It's just, when you get that color sensor that low to the ground, you're always going to have an issue with having clearance, having enough space to be able to do things like this ramp. And this robot's just not able to do that. So, if we can put a cons list on this one, just having it not be able to go up this ramp is one of the biggest downfalls to this robot. But, it can do so many other things. But, when you're looking for an FLL robot, that's what you're looking for, is versatility and having it be able to do everything that you want to do. You don't want to be limited to, now losing the 50 points from this elevated places. So, you can give this robot a shot. It's just, not going to be able to do some of the climbing and going up ramp missions that you'd want to do. Okay, guys, so I would be the first one to tell you if something was really not good and something I would not recommend. But this COR Robot, I am super impressed with it. Like I've said before in other videos, I like the way it drives. And obviously, that's going to depend on how good your motors are and, things like that. But I really like the way this is, it's solid, it's compact, it's durable. And I'll be honest, it's something that I really, really like. So those of you that are looking for a first LEGO League robot, I highly recommend this COR Robot. But obviously, you guys have your own plans and the way you guys operate. A lot of teams vote on which robots they want, and they come up with their own. They like box robots and other things like that. So if that's the way you guys go, more power to you. Okay, guys, I'm Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.